Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a graph which shows the temperature in degrees Celsius over 10 weeks in Fujiwara. Now we have to calculate the maximum range of variation, that is the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature. Now upon close observation of the graph, we can tell that the lowest temperature is observed in week 0 and the highest temperature is recorded in week 9 and week 10. Therefore, lowest temperature equals 21 degrees centigrade, and this has been recorded in week number 0, and highest temperature from the graph, highest temperature from the graph have been observed to be 31 degrees centigrade, which has been recorded in week 9 and week number 10. So two subsequent weeks have the highest temperature. Now we have to find the maximum range of variation. Therefore, maximum range of variation, maximum range of variation will be equals highest temperature minus lowest temperature. So highest temperature is nothing but 31 degrees centigrade and lowest temperature is 21 degrees centigrade. So it comes out to be 10 degrees centigrade. So thus this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.